Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Your Sales, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect, and your financial growth. The bank promotion exams 2025 to 2026 are your golden opportunity, and I'm here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we will learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like the exam demands. Remember, success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start today, prepare smartly, and make your promotion in 2025 to 2026 a reality. Welcome to part 36 of my Path Through the Corner Office 2025 to 2026 series, where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear, practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. Today's subject is Bank of India's Business Continuity Management System policy. The main goal of the business continuity plan is to option A, reduce costs only, option B, protect people, property and assets, option C, increase profitability, option D, improve customer relations. The answer is option B, protect people, property and assets. Who owns and drives the BCMS program in the bank? Option A, Board of Directors, option B, Business Continuity Head, option C, HR Department, option D, Zonal Manager. The answer is option B, Business Continuity Head. Which of the following is not a key element of pandemic planning under BCMS? Option A, educating employees, option B, communicating with service providers, option C, oversight and review of plans, option D, increasing loan sanction limits. The answer is option D, increasing loan sanction limits. Electrical safety audit of branches and offices should be done once every option A 2 years, option B 3 years, option C 4 years, option D 5 years. The answer is option D 5 years. Fire alarm system in branches must be option A installed only in large branches, option B kept functional at all times, option C tested once every year, option D installed only at head office. The answer is option B kept functional at all times. The next subject is Bank of India's Pandemic Preparedness and Response Plan. The primary object of the Pandemic Preparedness Plan is option A to promote foreign exchange business, option B to prevent transmission and ensure business continuity, option C to increase deposits during crisis, option D to expand ATM network. The answer is option B to prevent transmission and ensure business continuity. Pandemic Flu Awareness Week should be organized every year in option A first week of April, option B second week of January, option C last week of March, option D 15th August week. The answer is option B second week of January. Which ministry's advisories are binding during a pandemic? Option A Ministry of Home Affairs, option B Ministry of Labor, option C Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, option D Ministry of Finance. The answer is option C Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Which is a preventive measure during pandemics? Option A encouraging customers to use digital banking, option B increasing branch timings, option C expanding loan products, option D reducing staff strength permanently. The answer is option A encouraging customers to use digital banking. Signs should be displayed at workplaces too. Option A, advertise loan schemes. Option B, discourage staff and visitors with flu symptoms. Option C, invite new customers. Option D, promote festivals. The answer is option B, discourage staff and visitors with flu symptoms. The next subject is Bank of India's flood preparedness. Before floods, checkbooks and DDs should be option A, kept in lower shelves, option B, stored in waterproof folders at elevated places, option C, left in open racks, option D, sent to zonal office. The answer is option B, stored in waterproof folders at elevated places. During floods, branches must ensure UPS, CPU, and stationery are option A, shifted to raised platforms, option B, placed on ground level, option C, stored in customer area, option D, locked inside Almirah. The answer is option A, shifted to raised platforms. Who is authorized to close a branch in adverse flood situations? Option A, branch manager, option B, respective zonal manager, option C, head office, option D, respected FGMO. The answer is option B, respective zonal manager. After floods, if bank assets are destroyed, insurance claims should be lodged within option A, 12 hours, option B, 24 hours, option C, 3 days, option D, 7 days. The answer is option B, 24 hours. Post-flood stagnant water must be option A, left untouched, option B, immediately cleaned, option C, reported only, option D, ignored if minor. The answer is option B, immediately cleaned. The next subject is Bank of India's revised corporate physical security policy. The main objective of corporate physical security policy is to option A, increase loan recovery, option B, safeguard bank assets from internal and external threats, option C, reduce customer complaints, option D, increase business growth. The answer is option B, safeguard bank assets from internal and external threats. Safety of life and limb is categorized as option A, primary object, option B, secondary object, option C, optional measure, option D, not included. The answer is option A, primary object. The revised CPSP mandates in electrical audit of branches every option A, 2 years, option B, 3 years, option C, 4 years, option D, 5 years. The answer is option B, 3 years. Which department reviews the corporate security policy every 3 years? Option A, Head Office IT Department, option B, Head Office HR Department, option C, Head Office Security Department, option D, Head Office Audit and Inspection. The answer is option C, Head Office Security Department. Replacement of National Banking Group with General Manager was effective from option A, 1st January 2024, option B, 1st April 2024, option C, 1st July 2024, option D, 1st October 2024. The answer is option B, 1st April 2024. The next subject is Bank of India's policy on general management of branches. The main objective of the bank's policy on general management of branches is option A, to ensure availability of customer amenities and regulatory compliance, option B, to increase branch profits, option C, to introduce new loan schemes, option D, to expand rural branches. The answer is option A, to ensure availability of customer amenities and regulatory compliance. Inquiry and may I help you counters must be provided at Option A, only head office. Option B, all branches except small branches. Option C, metro branches only. Option D, zonal offices only. The answer is option B, all branches except small branches. Branch and ATM premises must be accessible to option A, shareholders only. Option B, staff only. Option C, disabled persons, senior citizens, and pensioners. Option D, vendors only. The answer is option C, disabled persons, senior citizens, and pensioners. All indicator boards and posters should be displayed in option A, only English. Option B, Hindi and English bilingual or trilingual where required. Option C, Hindi only. Option D, regional language only. The answer is option B, Hindi and English bilingual or trilingual where required. Customer service audit should be included in option A, marketing review. Option B, branch decoration plan. Option C, risk based internal audit. Option D, loan disbursement report. The answer is option C, risk based internal audit. Who assigned who is assigned as customer relation officer in branches? Option A, admin in charge of the branch. Option B, any officer with other duties. Option C, branch manager only. Option D, credit in charge of the branch. The answer is option B, any officer with other duties. Wearing of identity cards is mandatory for option A, only frontline staff. Option B, all employees while on duty. Option C, only security guards. Option D, branch manager only. The answer is option B, all employees while on duty. Who is overall responsible for branch management? Option A, department in charges. Option B, branch manager. Option C, cash officer. Option D, zonal office. The answer is option B, branch manager. Cash cabins in branches must be equipped with option A, manual locks. Option B, automatic locking system. Option C, padlocks. Option D, open counters. The answer is option B, automatic locking system. Customers Day is observed on option A, 1st of every month. Option B, 15th of every month. Option C, last Friday of every month. Option D, 26th January. The answer is option B, 15th of every month. Customer service committees at branch level meet option A, weekly. Option B, monthly. Option C, quarterly. Option D, yearly. The answer is option B, monthly. Pensioner and senior citizens should be nominated as member of option A, board of directors. Option C, customer service committee. Option C, HR committee. Option D, security committee. The answer is option B, customer service committee. Who acts as quality assurance officer for customer service? Option A, branch manager. Option B, zonal manager. Option C, head office HR. Option D, auditor. The answer is option B, zonal manager. Training for employees should be provided option A, only on products. Option B, based on role and sensitivity of work. Option C, only once for all staff. Option D, while after promotion only. The answer is option B, based on role and sensitivity for work. E-learning modules in HRMS are option A, optional. Option B, mandatory. Option C, only for zonal offices. Option D, for IT staff only. The answer is option B, mandatory. Senior officer officials from HO and zonal offices visiting branches focus on option A, decoration of premises. Option B, assessment of customer service and branch functioning. Option C, loan dispersal. Option D, marketing only. The answer is option B, assessment of customer service and bank branch functioning. Working hours of branches may vary due to option A staff preference, option B local government and SLBC guidelines, option C RBI monetary policy, option D annual audit. The answer is option B local governments and SLBC guidelines. Watch and ward staff working hours per day are option A 6 hours, option B 7 hours, option C 8 hours, option D 9 hours. The answer is option C 8 hours. The bank is not liable for service non-compliance due to option A low manpower, option B force majeure events, option C customer complaints, option D system errors. The answer is option B force majeure events. The policy review periodicity has been revised to option A annual, option B biennial, option C once in 5 years, option D half yearly. The answer is option B biennial. The next subject is Bank of India's branch business continuity and disaster recovery plan. BCP has two main phases. Option A planning and finance, option B preparedness and response and recovery, option C marketing and growth, option D training and HR. The answer is option B preparedness and response and recovery. Branch head is designated as option A HR head, option B BCP team head, option C safety officer, option D customer officer. The answer is option B BCP team head. How often should tabletop exercise for BCP should be conducted? Option A monthly, option B annually, option C once in 5 years, option D only after incidents. The answer is option B annually. Priority order in crisis management begins with option A restoration of business, option B containment of situation, option C safety of life, option D protection of property. The answer is option C safety of life. Updated branch BCP should reach zonal BCP committee by option A 1st May every year, option B 31st March every year, option C 1st January every year, option D 30th June every year. The answer is option A 1st May every year. The next subject is Bank of India's Business Sourcing Associates Policy. Which products are covered under BCA policy? Option A only home loans and vehicle loans, option B home loans above rupees 10 lakh, LAP, education, vehicle loans, MSME, option C only gold loans, option D only credit cards and CASA. The answer is option B home loans above rupees 10 lakh, LAP, education, vehicle loans, MSME. Minimum age for a BSA is option A 18 years, option B 19 years, option C 21 years, option D 25 years. The answer is option C 21 years. Who among the following is not eligible as BSA? Option A ex-bank officers, option B registered real estate brokers, option C close relatives of serving staff, option D chartered accountants. The answer is option C close relatives of serving staff. Period of contract for BSA is option A 6 months, option B 12 months, option C 18 months, option D 24 months. The answer is option B 12 months. Minimum marks required in BSA scoring sheet before interview, option A 10, option B 15, option C 18, option D 20. The answer is option C 18. Role of BSA is limited to option A loan dispersal, option B KYC verification, option C sourcing leads, option D recovery. The answer is option C sourcing leads. Commission is payable to BSA. Option A in advance. Option B linked to disbursement and mortgage. Option C as monthly salary. Option D as allowance. The answer is option B linked to disbursement and mortgage. Additional commission of 0.10% is paid for option A fresh home loans, option B takeover of home loans, included top up loans, option C vehicle loans, option D education loans. The answer is option B takeover of home loans, included top up loans. BSA contract can be terminated for option A poor performance and misconduct, option B after 2 years automatically, option C after retirement, option D low market. The answer is option A poor performance and misconduct. BSA empanelment inspection may be carried out by option A HR only, option B auditor only, option C RBC head and branch manager, option D customers. The answer is option C RBC head and branch manager. The next subject is Bank of India's communication policy. One of the guiding principles of communication policy is option A profitability, option B transparency, option C confidentiality only, option D customer delight. The answer is option B transparency. All communication is presented in option A Hindi and English only, option B Hindi, English and regional languages where required, option C English only, option D Hindi only. The answer is option B Hindi, English and regional languages where required. Who are the spokespersons of the bank? Option A branch managers, option B MD and CEO and executive directors, option C any officer, option D zonal heads. The answer is option B MD and CEO and executive directors. Dissemination of information on real-time basis is done through option A press only, option B SMS, option C official website, option D circulars. The answer is option C official website. Which of the following is not a part of communication mix? Option A advertising, option B sales promotion, option C loan disbursement, option D publicity. The answer is option C loan disbursement. Staff are prohibited from using social media for option A personal use during work hours, option B official posts, option C customer awareness, option D public campaigns. The answer is option A personal use during work hours. Only authorized persons can post on option A WhatsApp groups, option B approved social media platforms, option C emails, option D local notices. The answer is option B approved social media platforms. Communication should be tailored as per option A competitors, option B target audience, option C employees only, option D RBI only. The answer is option B target audience. Who may authorize EDs and CGMs and heads to speak publicly on behalf of bank? Option B zonal office, option B MD and CEO, option C chairman, option D RBI. The answer is option B MD and CEO. Social media policy prohibits option A sharing sensitive or confidential data, option B posting photos, option C digital marketing, option D customer awareness programs. The answer is option A sharing sensitive or confidential data. The next subject is Bank of India's communication policy, social media. The main objective of social media policy is option A to promote personal branding of staff, Option B, to ensure acceptable use of social networking applications. Option C, to replace official communication. Option D, to reduce staff. The answer is option B, to ensure acceptable use of social networking applications. Which of the following is not an approved social media platform of the bank? Option A, Facebook. Option B, Twitter. Option C, LinkedIn. Option D, WhatsApp. The answer is option D, WhatsApp. Who can review and update bank's social media platforms list? Option A, ED. Option B, GM in charge of social media division. Option C, MD and CEO. Option D, RBI. The answer is option B, GM in charge of social media division. Expenses for promoting bank on social media are sanctioned as per option A, RBI approval. Option B, delegation of powers under publicity head. Option C, zonal manager discretion. Option D, customer committee. The answer is option B, delegation of powers under publicity head. The social media policy adheres to guidelines of option A, SCBI and IRDA, option B, RBI, IBA and DFS, option C, TRAI, option D, Ministry of IT. The answer is option B, RBI, IBA and DFS. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.